Optech USA is proud to introduce the new Venum Hybrid one-size-fits-all spinal system. The Venum Hybrid is available with one central support panel in an LSO, TLSO with ATE and TLSO with DLK configurations. To size the brace correctly, first measure the patient's circumference around the waist. Using the sizing chart, determine the appropriate setting. The Venum Hybrid braces come preset to medium size. If a size other than medium is required, follow these steps. Turn over and detach the back cover from the rigid posterior panel and place the pull handles over the round loop circles. Turn over and remove the plastic panel from the elastic band. Detach right and left soft panels by opening the center clamps on each side of the brace. The Venum Hybrid braces come preset to medium size. Select the desired size from the available sizes, extra small to 5 extra large. Place the size indicator over the desired size. Both panels should be set to the same size. Fold the end of the brace and press down firmly. Insert and center both soft panels into the center clamp and press down firmly. Insert the central rigid posterior panel back into the elastic band. Turn over and place the pull handles back to the starting point. Close the back cover onto the rigid posterior panel. The new Venum Hybrid is also available with 2 independent support panels in a one-size-fits-all LSO configuration. To remove the back panels, attach both right and left pull handles over the round loop circles. Turn over the brace and remove both independent posterior panels by detaching the Velcro and sliding them off the belt. Detach right and left soft panels by opening the center clamps on each side of the brace. The Venum Hybrid braces come preset to medium size. Select the desired size from the available sizes, extra small to 5 extra large. Place the size indicator over the desired size. Both panels should be set to the same size. Fold the end of the brace and press down firmly. Insert and center both soft panels into the center clamp and press down firmly. Slide both independent posterior panels over the center clamp and press down firmly. Turn over and place the pull handles back to the starting point. The Venum Hybrid X model features 2 lateral panels. To assemble the lateral panels, slide them over the belt to the desired position and press down firmly. To fit the brace, place left soft panel against your abdomen. Place right soft panel on top of the left panel. Pull the handles outward to achieve desired compression and fasten onto the front soft panel. To adjust the drawstring length for large or small patients, remove the reel from the pull handle pocket and decrease or increase length by reeling the cable in or out respectively. Call us today or visit us at optechusa.com. for more information on the new Venum Hybrid.